Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to unbox and quick review of the new Nikon L71 twistable flashlight with 1800 lumens and 100 hours of battery life, 89 grams of weight exclude battery with type C charging port, 18650 rechargeable li-ion battery, strong magnet, IP65, and this is the specification of Nikon L71 flashlight. For high lumens, for 1800 lumens, 2.7 hours for high brightness. For middle brightness, 360 lumens, 2.8 hours. For low, 200 lumens for 8 hours runtime. Moonlight, 2 lumens, 100 hours. For red light, 2 lumens for 10 hours. Type C, cable, IP65 water resistant, 1 meter drop resistant. The intensity of the light is 24,750 CD, and for the beam distance is 314 meter. Hobby strobe is OS flashlight. So here's the picture. Strong magnet. For charging, red light means low battery. For full charge, green light. Okay, we will unbox now. So this is the flashlight, the O-ring, the free O-ring, the flashlight. So this is twistable guys for 90 degrees. So this is the on and off button, the logo of Nikon L71, and the charging port. The type C charging port, and the logo again with Nikon. The grip, very nice grip. The tag says that take out the plastic inside of the battery so you can use it. So we will take out. This is the magnet guys. Okay, take out this one. So this is the battery, 2600 milliamperes battery with 3.6 volt, 9.36 watts. So we will test. So this is the free wire of this charger guys. Type C, only the cable, it's free. And the user manual and warranty guide, warranty card, this flashlight. on. Color green, it means full. The color red light for emergency use. The strobe for emergency use also, for red light strobe. Hold to go to white light, and hold also to go to red light. And then hold the button for high lumen, low lumen, medium lumen, high lumen, high lumen. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.